In this video, I'll be giving you 3 options to lace swap out of your Air Jordan 4 Black Cats. What's up, Sneakerholics? It's your boy SneakerholicBeez, and I'm here to do another lace swap with the Air Jordan 4 Black Cats. Got 3 options. We'll mess around, do like a pink, a white, and a yellow, and let's see how it turns out. Option 1, I'll be swapping out these black laces for some pink laces, and let's see how this lace swap goes. Now let's try it out on feet. Option 2, I'll be lace swapping these black laces with these yellow laces. Let's see how these look. Now let's check it out on feet. And last but not least, option 3, I'll be lace swapping these black laces out for these white laces. Now let's see it on feet. Thank you for watching my video. As always, let me know in the comment section which lace swap was the best. Was it the white laces, was it the yellow, or was it the pink? Remember to hit that subscribe button to be notified every time I upload a video. Also hit that thumbs up if you like this video, or that thumbs up if you didn't. SneakerholicBeez, and I'm out.